Imagine a modern home bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The golden hues cast a serene and inviting atmosphere, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. The sleek lines of its architecture are accentuated by carefully placed outdoor lighting. These lights not only highlight the beauty of the home, but also add an extra layer of security by illuminating dark corners. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, this home boasts an invisible layer of security. Advanced technology seamlessly integrates with the design, ensuring that safety is never compromised. Near the entrance, a Ring Spotlight cam battery stands guard. This device is more than just a camera. It's a vigilant protector, always on the lookout. It diligently watches for any movement, ready to alert homeowners at a moment's notice. Whether it's a visitor or an unexpected guest, nothing goes unnoticed. On the other side of the door, a Ring Stick-Up cam battery provides a wide-angle view of the driveway. This ensures that every inch of the property is monitored, offering comprehensive coverage. These cameras are the first line of defense for this beautiful home. Strategically placed, they create a robust security network. These Ring cameras offer peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected allows you to relax and enjoy your surroundings without worry. Homeowners can see who is at the door, even at night. The advanced night vision capabilities ensure clear visibility, no matter the time. They can also keep an eye on their property while they are away. Remote access through a smartphone app means you're always connected to your home, but these battery-powered devices need regular charging to stay operational. It's a small price to pay for the security they provide. This is where the Ring solar panel comes in. Harnessing the power of the sun, it ensures that your cameras are always charged and ready, providing an eco-friendly solution to home security. The Ring solar panel is a game-changer for homeowners who want reliable security without the hassle of battery replacements. Imagine a world where your security system is always on, always vigilant, and you never have to worry about changing batteries again. This ingenious device harnesses the power of the sun to keep your Ring cameras charged and ready. By converting sunlight into energy, it ensures that your security cameras are always operational, no matter the weather. Imagine never having to worry about your cameras running out of battery at a crucial moment. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, your cameras will always be powered and ready to capture any activity around your home. The Ring solar panel makes that a reality. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing Ring cameras, providing a continuous power source that you can rely on. This small but mighty panel can be easily mounted in a sunny spot. Its sleek design ensures it blends in with any home exterior, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. It continuously feeds power to your Ring cameras, ensuring they are always operational. No more interruptions, no more downtime, just consistent, reliable security. This means you can enjoy the benefits of a robust security system without lifting a finger. With the Ring solar panel, peace of mind is just a sunny day away. One of the most impressive features of the Ring solar panel is its ease of installation. The panel comes with everything you need to attach it to a wall or roof. Its sleek and unobtrusive design blends seamlessly with any home's exterior. You won't have to compromise your home's aesthetic for enhanced security. The Ring solar panel is built to withstand the elements. It is made from durable materials that can handle rain, snow, and direct sunlight. This ensures that your investment is protected and your cameras stay powered, regardless of the weather. Section 4. A day in the life of your Ring solar panel. Let's take a look at a typical day for your Ring solar panel, a device that works tirelessly to keep your home secure. As the sun rises, the panel begins absorbing sunlight, harnessing the power of the sun to generate energy. This energy is converted into electricity and sent directly to your connected Ring camera, ensuring it has the power it needs to function. Throughout the day, the panel diligently collects energy, storing it efficiently to provide a consistent power supply to your camera. Even on cloudy days, the Ring solar panel continues to generate some power, thanks to its advanced technology. This ensures that your camera remains charged and ready to capture any activity, no matter the weather conditions. With the Ring solar panel, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home security is always powered up, providing continuous protection for your loved ones and property. Section 5. Simple connections, powerful security. Connecting your Ring solar panel to your camera is incredibly simple. The panel features a barrel plug connector. This provides a secure and weather-resistant connection. Simply plug the connector into your compatible Ring camera and you're good to go. The barrel plug connector is designed to withstand the elements. You don't have to worry about rain or dust affecting the connection. This ensures a reliable flow of power from the solar panel to your Ring camera. Section 6. Peace of mind for priceless moments. Imagine this. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. The kids are playing in the backyard, their laughter echoing through the air. You're inside preparing a delicious meal, but you can't shake the feeling of wanting to keep an eye on things outside. With your Ring camera powered by the Ring solar panel, you can relax and enjoy those precious moments. The camera provides a live feed of your backyard directly to your smartphone or tablet. You can check in anytime and see that everything is all right. Section 7. Upgrade your home security today. The Ring solar panel is an essential addition to any modern home security system. It offers a hassle-free way to keep your Ring cameras charged and ready to protect what matters most. With its easy installation, weather-resistant design, and efficient solar charging, the Ring solar panel provides peace of mind and reliable security. Don't wait for a security concern to arise. Upgrade your home security system today with the Ring solar panel and experience the convenience and peace of mind it provides. You'll be glad you did.